Hey sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. It is turning into fall already. I put my plaid on today. Last night actually got down in the 60s and we wore our sweaters, so I'm definitely in the mood for all things pumpkins. I've been crafting a ton of fall stuff, but excited to get the last touches of fall decorated in my home. Speaking of fall, I recently ran into my favorite Dollar Tree stores and they had put out a few new items that I hadn't seen before, so I know I wanted to go ahead and share those items with you today. And these are the perfect items to try to find for fall and Halloween, but also some really cool crafting supplies that you can use in like everyday crafts. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you love seeing all of Dollar Tree's new items that I can find, and let's go ahead and jump on into it. I do want to mention, if you stay tuned until the end of this video, I do want to share with you a few more things that I've been seeing at Dollar General that were new to me. I have a whole video on all of the fall items that I found at Dollar General, so if you want to check that out, I'll link it down below, as well as some other brand new Dollar Tree items. I just posted a video on how I'm going to be using them, but I didn't put those items in this haul because I want everything to be different, but make sure you do check out those. But like I said, later on in the video I'll have Dollar General stuff, but right now everything is coming from Dollar Tree. So first up, I thought these were new. I haven't seen them, but they have the cutest little wooden sign. They have this beautiful like water paint designs in the back. One says home, one says thankful, and one says gather. They have sunflowers, leaves, and pumpkins. These are so well made. I love the wood wording that goes across the front. These are so beautiful. I would love to leave these as is, but really gorgeous for shelf decor. I found these little pillows. They're kind of on a hanger. They just say decor on them, so you could like hang them on a doorknob or from like a little shelf or something. But these were the cutest little things. One is white that says Happy Harvest with these beautiful pumpkins on there, and one has the gingham print around the edging and it says Grateful Hearts Gather Here. These both have like a burlap backing. It's kind of fake like, it's just printed on fabric, but these are really cute, add that perfect little pop of color. I found some new candle holders. I found this in, I think, 4 different colors. They had a navy set, but I was already picking up so many of them, I decided to go ahead and leave the blue set, but I thought these would be perfect. The orange, obviously, for like fall and going on into Thanksgiving, and then the gray and white one could be used for every day, but these were new to me. They have new designs. Dollar Tree is always putting these little like oil warmers or wax melts or tea light candle holders, always putting these out in different designs, and I love that little cut out leaf pattern. I thought it was really cute, and I'm going to try to craft with these and make some really cool items. I was really excited to find these little candy jars with a lid. They are plastic, but they have like the little seal, so they do feel like airtight. And one says Death by Candy with the black lettering, and one says Pick Your Poison with the green. These will be so adorable to put little candy corns in to decorate with, as well as be functional. You can set these on your counter with some Reese pumpkins in there, but these were really, really cute. And I did pick up an extra one, so if I wanted to try to remove the lettering on here, I would be able to craft with one as well. My Dollar Tree had looked like they had just opened a new box of Halloween fabric. I didn't know if I had a ton of uses for this, so I just picked up my favorite ones. I got these 4 different patterns: the black cats, the polka dot, the little pumpkin faces, and the candy corn. These are so cute. It says it is 20 inches by 21 inches, so that is a pretty big piece for just $1. And like I say, just fun to craft with and keep these on hand. I love Mod Podging this fabric to like glass, putting it in picture frames, but definitely so many things you could do with this. And then I'm not sure if this is going to work out, but I actually found this beautiful black and white buffalo check pattern. I know we go crazy over finding Dollar Tree items that has this pattern on it. These actually say pet bandanas, but I'm going to try to craft with them. I just thought it was like a big, nice piece of fabric, and if you actually unfold it, it even gets bigger, so I think that I would be able to take this apart and kind of do something fun with it, not just using it as the pet bandana, but these are also really cute, and I just thought for $1, it won't hurt to try to make something really cool with this. Rub-on transfers are one of my favorite Dollar Tree items. They have been killing it this year, putting out vines and just different seasonal rub-on transfers, so I love these. I actually found these ones that look like they're kind of for glasses, but I'm thinking that you might could go ahead and just use it as a normal one. It does say rub-on transfer sticker, but I love the little girl ghost with a bow, as well as the little witch feet that says Happy Halloween. Those were so cute, so love those so much. But I also found the bigger sheets in Halloween and fall patterns. One has like skulls and crows. They have the cute little ghosts and pumpkins, and then the black cats, and it says hooray for Halloween. I thought those was cute. And then the fall ones, it has some beautiful like watercolor painting with the Hello Autumn, and then some darker leaves, which I also thought was really pretty, and just excited to get to try these out. I have been seeing some fall little signs like this in different patterns, and I do have a few of those, but I found the same like black and white plaid or buffalo check pattern, so I went ahead and grabbed these. I thought these would be so easy. One is beautiful as is. If you don't want them all to match, it would be fun to just hot glue an orange pumpkin that's already painted in there, but I thought these were really pretty. For Halloween, I also found some tiny little like village people. They had some little houses, kind of like the little fairy people, but I found this little 3 stack of pumpkins, the little black kitten, and the 3 stack of ghosts, and just thought these would be fun to kind of set in little tiered trays, or if I have like a small little space. Okay, so I've been seeing some of my DIY friends finding the new wood pieces at Dollar Tree, and I was so jealous, so I ran into my Dollar Tree hoping that I would find some, and I definitely hit the jackpot. I was so excited. They were picked over, so I only got like one each of a few things that I was really wanting, but at least I got my hands on one, and it'll be fun to try out. But what I was dying for was like these large wooden pieces from Dollar Tree. So they just say craft wood on them. They have thin pieces, they have thicker pieces, and they're all different sizes. So I could not pass these up. I was so excited to find these. So many things we'll be able to do with these. You could build frames, you can make scroll signs, like make little like risers, but just so excited that Dollar Tree is putting out like these real wood pieces. If you cannot find these pieces, you can go to Home Depot and purchase like an 8-foot long 2-inch board that you can cut down if you have like a table saw, or a jigsaw would work as well as just our little like saw that we use with the yellow box, our miter saws. But these are really cool. Excited to just pay $1 to go ahead and have the perfect little cut pieces for crafting. I found these new little scallop pieces. I hadn't ever seen Dollar Tree just put out this perfect little scalloped wooden piece. I go to Hobby Lobby and purchase these in a 2-pack to use in my crafts, and I've used them so many times on my videos. So excited. Hopefully we'll be able to pick these up at the Dollar Tree, and just perfect for a base for any kind of crafts. Like I say, I've used these so many times, but they also had some other fun little designs as well as the hearts that I thought was really cute, and I'll definitely be saving these for Valentine's Day. And then the last pieces of wood that I picked up was some more smaller little assorted sizes in the thinner wood, and then some of them even have like a jute string hanger. They have the little squares, which I thought would be so handy to have already cut, and then they had these chunkier cut pieces. They have just fun little shapes like this house, and I thought this little one kind of looked like a little cutting board. So these were really fun. So excited Dollar Tree is getting the hint and giving us more wood items, but these would be so much fun to DIY with. I love picking up little vase filler. So they have these little plastic pieces. They come in pumpkins and acorns, but just too cute. This would be so fun to kind of place around a candle, in like a little candle plate, put in a bowl, just any kind of clear container. This just adds a perfect pop of color, and I love all the little details on there. Another Halloween item were these little candles. They actually kind of have like a shallow candle in there, which is really cool. If you didn't even want to burn that, you could just pop in a little LED light right on top of the candle in there, and no one would ever know that you were using a battery powered candle. But I thought these were adorable. They have little black ghosts on the front. They are kind of scratched up a little bit, but I was thinking it would be fun to go ahead and paint that ghost white anyways. But I love these colors together, just so beautiful, and I love how it is the mercury glass. I found these large signs in chalkboard style the last time, but this time they actually had the big long wood pieces. I am so excited for these. I'm going to use them during the fall season, and then how easy will it be to just cut off with my jigsaw or hand saw, cut off the little pumpkin, and then you'll have like the perfect plank of wood from the Dollar Tree. So excited to put these to good use. Another really fun find, I'm always obsessed with calendars for my desk. I always buy too many, but these were actually really cool. So I could pin this up on my bulletin board. It comes with the little notes section as well as a shopping list. They have the beautiful like black and white buffalo pattern as well as some with like the little leaves, which looks a little bit more girlier. But these were really cool, and I love how it feels like a whole little stationery set, but just on one like thing, so you don't have to keep up with anything, but just really fun calendars. I thought these were a really fun find. They have like these little chunky pieces, and if you can't find the little wood pieces that I found before, if you look for like little decor pieces like this, you can totally paint this and use it as a base for something and glue something on there. But these were really cute. I love this one. It says inspire. That will be perfect for the craft room. Just kind of put it on a shelf or something, and then this little heart that says love, as well as the little triangle that says dream without fear. I'm not sure how to use these just yet, but they had these adorable little treat bags with the tie. It has the little pumpkin face on it. Now that I'm holding this up here, I almost think that I've purchased this before and put it in a different haul, but I thought this was really fun. If I do have leftover ones, it would be so cute to put some little candy in here and actually give to a few trick-or-treaters if I have any leftover. But this is a really fun little piece that you could just stuff these little bags full of cotton or something and tie it at the top and kind of put it in a little tobacco basket or something, but just a really cute find. I've been seeing this on other people's hauls, but the little red wagon holding the pumpkins, I thought that was cute. And then I'm loving all of the galvanized pieces that Dollar Tree is putting out. So I just picked up the little ghost as well as the little witch hat. I am a sucker for window clings. I feel like I always grab too many of them, but then last minute it's something for the kids, like whenever it's a couple days before Halloween, you put them on all of the windows and the fridge, and it really dresses up your space. But I found some really cute fall ones. I love, once again, kind of like this soft watercolor look. Dollar Tree's putting that on tons of items, so I love that Hello Fall and Fall Breeze Autumn Leaves. Too cute. I love the coffee one with the pumpkin pie that says sweeter than pumpkin pie, the little plaid pumpkins, as well as the little pumpkin pie banner. So these are really fun to grab, and window clings is something that I love to craft with. I always pick up any extra like cutting tools or Cricut tools when we go to Dollar Tree. They had these little rubbing tools, so this would be so fun to have extra ones that I can just have like really close and handy. But this is also perfect for the Dollar Tree's vinyl. If you want to get like a smooth finish, you'll be able to get all the bubbles out with these. I was able to find some big words, so I thought this was cute. It says welcome and family, and these are a bigger size than the ones that come in the pack of 3. They are still kind of fragile and flimsy a little bit, but if you glued this to a sign, this is perfect, and I just love how they're putting out bigger words. So Dollar Tree had out a ton of unfinished wood signs, but I've been seeing them for the past few months. But I did go ahead and decide to grab a little haunted house since it is getting closer to Halloween, and I'm going to be doing maybe a video or two on Halloween. I don't ever do too many things. I leave that up to the pros, but I do like to put like a few little witches or ghosts around the house, as well as like I could paint this black and put it on a stand. But Halloween for me and my family is more whimsical, so I just enjoy my fall decor for a couple of months. I wait till it gets super close to Halloween, and then we hang up like banners, and it's kind of like party decorations more than just like actually getting out tubs of decor and decorating my whole house. Now that might change one of these days if the kids get bigger or we have more space, but just right now it's just kind of like what we do is just put up like banners and candy corn and just kind of have fun with it. I had been finding the little velvet pumpkins in all of the colors, but today I actually found the little plaid pumpkins. I found this in the black and white as well as the orange, and these will also be really cute vase filler. They're small enough to kind of glue to crafts, but can definitely fill up like a little bowl or something. And then the last thing before I get on into the Dollar General part of this video, I wanted to share these little candles. They have several different colors. I picked them up in the gray as well as this like burnt orange color, but they have the little metal leaves tied on the front, which is too cute. These will be gorgeous as is, just putting on like a wood candle holder, but just a really fun find. Okay, so as promised, jumping on into the Dollar General part, I found these little banners. They were $3, but they actually look really well made and like sewn together rather than just being kind of glued really quickly. And this is what I meant by kind of like more whimsical decor, and we hang up little banners closer to time. But I thought these were really fun. They have the little ghosts that say boo as well as the candy corn. I found one of these little Halloween gnomes. I thought he was too cute. He has a little hat holding a pumpkin, and I love those little striped legs. Okay, so this was $6, but it is a riser, but it is like a nice size. It kind of looks like a dinner plate, but I felt like it was so beautiful. I love all things like light colored wood right now. It actually has this little detail around the edging of kind of like a white little floral vine, but just really pretty and something that I can use all year. This was $5, and it was the cutest little kind of like pot pumpkin with little handles on the edges. I thought this was so much fun. Once again, could be used for like a candy dish. I could put a candle in here, but just a really fun little find. Dollar General has awesome stuff. I found this pillow. So I usually pass on the pillows, but this one just really caught my eye. I love the color of it. It has my like gingham pattern on there, but the pom-poms I think is what sold it to me. I think it is so adorable and would look really, really cute on a bench. I love whenever they put out just really inexpensive little pieces. These were $2 each, but so, so cute. One says Witch's Brew and one says Poison. One of them had kind of lost their bow, but I can easily make that and put one back on there. But love how these are already ready to go and would look so cute in like a tiered tray. And then the last thing that I picked up was this Happy Halloween sign. It was $3. Thought that was really cheap and something that I love. I just think it is really, really cute. I love the little bats on it, but love the colors. Okay, so that is everything that I recently found at Dollar Tree for September of 2021. Let me know if there's anything brand new coming out that I haven't shared yet, because I would love to keep an eye out for that or try to look it up. And then also from Dollar General, I found several really cute things, but it's always fun bringing this video to you as fast as I can so that you can look for these items. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. It really helps me out here on YouTube. Make sure you are subscribed, and we're going to put these items to good use within the next few weeks, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting. Bye.